everyone, welcome back to English Grammar Part 70. In this part, we are going to climb the 11th step of English Grammar with the topic intersection. So here we go. So what's intersection? Intersection is a word or phrase that is used to express certain feelings, strong feelings, emotions or sentiments of a speaker, like surprise, joy, excitement, disgust, enthusiasm, sorrow, approval, attention, etc. So, these words, intersections are used to show certain feelings of speaker. Okay, let's have a look over. Word or phrases that are used to show certain feelings or we can call sentiments of a speaker. Okay, like joy, then excitement, surprise, sorrow, disgust, enthusiasm, approval, attention, so intersections are words or phrases that are used to express speakers certain feelings, okay, certain emotions. It might be joy, happiness, or excitement, surprise, sorrow, disgust, enthusiasm, approval, or attention. Okay, for example, oh, when we just get surprised, wow, okay, then ouch when we get hurt, right, hurrah when we get a victory. So these words are used as intersections in the sentences to express certain feeling of a speaker. Let's have examples and those examples how it is used in sentence. For examples, bravo, hurrah, alas, ouch, hey, hello, well, oh, etc. So these are all intersections which are used to express certain feelings. Few of them I have just listed out here. These are categorized into 6 parts or 6 types we can say. Intersection for greeting, intersection for joy, intersection for approval, intersection for attention, intersection for surprise, intersection for sorrow. Okay, so we use these intersections to express our feelings. So let's have a look over now one by one. First we will deal with intersection for greeting. So let's deal with first one, intersection for greeting. So these intersections are used to express emotions of warmth to the person meeting with. So here we go. First one, hey, nice to meet you. So when you meet, you can just say, hey, nice to meet you. Second one, hello, I am Radha. So hi, how are you? So these words, hey, hello, hi, you can just have a look over. Intersections are always followed by exclamatory mark. Okay, so these are considered as intersection for greeting which are used to express warmth. Let's have a look over another type of intersection, that is joy. Intersection for joy. So here, wow, hurrah, good. These are used to express immediate happiness on the occasion occurred. Okay, instantaneous happiness or joyness we can say. So wow, you are looking gorgeous. Hurrah, we successfully won this competition. Good, great, well, now we completed parts of speech. So this is how we use interjection for joy to express immediate happiness. So here we are with another type of interjection, that is interjection for approval. Okay, so these interjection for approval are used to show strong sense of agreement or approval to something that has happened. Okay, for example, bravo, the first rank is yours this year. Bravo, the first rank is yours this year. Brilliant, you spelled it correctly. Okay, so well done, you have completed the task successfully. So these are words that are used as interjection for approval. Let's go for the next. So here, interjection for attention. These are used to draw attention of someone towards something. Okay, let's have a look over. Look, I'll not do it today. So look, I'll not do it today. Listen, I have never expected this from you. Behold, someone strange is here. Shh, keep silence. So these are words which are considered as interjection for attention that are used to draw someone's attentions toward something. Okay. So let's deal with next type of interjection, that is interjection for surprise. Interjection for surprise. They are used to express surprise towards something that has happened. Okay. For example, oh really? You completed work? I can't believe. I got new job. What? Are you serious? What a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. Okay. So these are used to express surprise towards that has happened. So this is how interjection for surprise are used in sentences. And here we go. Last type of interjection, that is interjection for sorrow. So here we are with last type of interjection, that is interjection for sadness. So these interjections are used to express sadness when something terrible or unfortunate that has happened with someone. Okay, let's have a look over examples used in sentences. Alas, he is no more. So this alas is used to show pity. Okay, so ouch, it's paining. Oops, sorry, it was my fault. So these alas, ouch, oops are interjections for sorrow that are used to express sadness when unfortunate happened with someone. So here we complete types of interjection, as well as let me tell you all that we have completed all parts of speech. You just watch out from hashtag number 1 to hashtag number 70 to get complete knowledge or information about all parts of speech. Thanks for being with me till end of the video clipping. Have a great day. Take care. Take care of your health. So in the next video clipping, we are going to have another new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.